kids? Myself, Reena ma'am. How are you all? I know you all are fine and safe.
Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe. But do you know how we are managing to remain safe and healthy? Yes, just because of our Corona warriors. Today, I want to take your few minutes to thank them and give them a big clap for their excellent job. This year, our Prime Minister also celebrated their Independence Day by appreciating them. So, big clap for our Corona warriors and salute them.
Okay children, tell me, what did you learn in your last session? Yes, we learned alphabet A to N. So let's do the revision of alphabet.
This is alphabet A. Mama A, baby A. Capital A, small a. The sound of alphabet A is A. A. A for apple. This is alphabet B. Mama B, baby B. Capital B, small b. The sound of alphabet B is B. B. B for ball. This is alphabet C. Mama C, baby C. Capital C, small c. The sound of alphabet C is K. K. C for cup. This is alphabet D. Mama D, baby D. Capital D, small d. The sound of alphabet D is D. D. D for dog. This is alphabet E. Mama E, baby E. Capital E, small e. The sound of alphabet E is E. E. E for elephant. This is alphabet F. Mama F, baby F. Capital F, small f. The sound of alphabet F is F. F. F for flag. This is our national flag. This is alphabet G. Mama G, baby G. Capital G, small g. The sound of alphabet G is G. G. G for goat. This is alphabet H. Mama H, baby H. Capital H, small h. The sound of alphabet H is H. H. H for hat. This is alphabet I. Mama I, baby I. Capital I, small I. Alphabet I has two sounds. I says I and I says E. I for igloo. This is alphabet J. Mama J, baby J. Capital J, small j. The sound of alphabet J is J. J. J for joker. This is alphabet K. Mama K, baby K. Capital K, small k. The sound of alphabet K is K. K. K for kite. This is alphabet L. Mama L, baby L. Capital L, small l. The sound of alphabet L is L. L. L for lotus. This is alphabet M. Mama M, baby M. Capital M, small m. The sound of alphabet M is M. M. M for mango. This is alphabet N. Mama N, baby N. Capital N, small n. The sound of alphabet N is N. N. N for nose.
Now, today we will learn a new alphabet. Alphabet O.
This is alphabet O. Mama O. Baby O. Capital O. Small o. The sound of alphabet O is O. O. O for orange. O for owl. O for onion. O for ostrich. O for octopus. O for olive. O for oil.
All these words starts with alphabet O.
Now I will give you worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to identify the object and color it nicely. इस वर्कशीट में आपको ऑब्जेक्ट को पहचानना है और वो कौन से अल्फाबेट से शुरू होता है वो बताकर उसमें अच्छे से कलर करना है। हम इस वर्कशीट को नेक्स्ट सेशन में सॉल्व करेंगे। You can do this worksheet in your English classwork book page number 19.
I hope you enjoyed this session. फिर मिलेंगे बच्चों। बाय बाय।